The Algorand, ALGO, digital money has experienced issues ascending past its eco values since its beginning in 2019. When the blockchain collaborated with Coinbase to foster El Salvador's Digital Money Foundation, the cost of Algo flooded in September 2021. Despite the fact that it has accordingly lost most of these additions, experts and sites that estimate costs are hopeful that it will one day again arrive at comparable levels. What follows for the altcoin, then, at that point? How about we analyze the Algorand blockchain's activity in additional profundity and look at its cost improvement? What is Algorand, ALGO? The Algorand blockchain, which expects to answer the conundrum of safety, speed, and decentralization, involves Algo as its local cash. Algorand achieves this objective by making and approving its blocks through an agreement procedure called unadulterated confirmation of stake. How much Algo a client wagers influences how haphazardly the block chief and approval council are picked. Algorand was laid out in 2017 by teacher Silvio Micheli of the Massachusetts Establishment of Innovation, MIT, in the U.S., and its blockchain and neighborhood money appeared in June 2019. The Algo coin cost immediately fell a day after presentation. Algorand, ALGO, Essential Investigation. In June 2019, Algo sent off its underlying coin offering, with a $2.40 sticker price. Value tumbled to $2.16 on June 22, the main day of exchange. This was just the beginning as the value continued to decline throughout the following months, hitting a low of 19 cents on September 27, 2019. This crash happened for different causes. The first was the 10 billion symbolic stock that would be conveyed step by step. Algorand said that 3 billion Algo will be sold at public sale throughout the initial 5 years following the organization's foundation. Notwithstanding the elevated degree of public premium, the market couldn't deal with the huge measure of Algo and financial backers' $24 billion valuation. One more likely calculate the breakdown of the value of Algo's money was private financial backers. Financial backers bought Algo through confidential position adjusts, which fixed the coin's cost somewhere in the range of 5 cents and 50 cents. At the point when the token was delivered, it had a worth of $2.16. Permitting individual financial backers to make huge increases. Previous Algorand establishment tasks boss Chen Fangfang addressed a letter to the monetary local area. The letter asserted that early sponsor had presented the drive to unnecessary dangers by undercutting and unloading coins, as indicated by worldwide coin exploration. Algorand, ALGO, specialized examination. In the wake of being added to Coinbase, the cost of Algo's money expanded. It was one of the swiftest on the stage, as per Algorand. At the point when the news was delivered, the cost had ascended about 30 cents. Throughout the accompanying year and a half of exchange, Algo attempted to get past the 50 cents limit, not to mention outperform its underlying cost, in spite of a couple of increments. The money began seeing a bullish pattern toward the start of 2021. All through the year the token supported this development, in the long run hitting a long-term high of $1.71. Like the previous cost fall of Algo, various variables could have caused this increment. Stablecoin interest was the first. Stablecoins joined the relentlessness of government-issued money with the decentralized attributes of digital currencies. Algorand has arisen as a cutthroat option for stablecoin backers since Ethereum has costly gas costs. Through a joint effort with the momentary currency market exchanging stage Instamatch worldwide, Algorand was likewise standing out. Algorand took care of millions of dollars of exchanges at regular intervals. El Salvador, in August 2021, announced that Algorand will act as the establishment for its digital money foundation. At that point, the coin was going for around $1.12. In the days that followed, the expense soared to a record-breaking post-send-off high of $2.38. The cash finished at $1.63 regardless of Algorand having quite recently delivered an update that improved shrewd agreements by empowering them to be written in famous programming dialects like Python and Reach. Since LimeWire, a document-sharing programming, picked Algorand to run its NFT commercial center, Algo has encountered some rebound. In the wake of arriving at a high of 97 cents, the token held at 80 cents. At the point when FIFA reported its collaboration with Algorand, it showed that the organization would turn into the association's true blockchain stage and would offer the association's true blockchain upheld wallet arrangement. The Q2 bull runs, however, were brief, and by mid-May, a vast implosion saw Algo exchanging at 36 cents lows. Algorand, ALGO, current cost. Algorand is at present worth $0.315436. Algo has moved -2.28% as of now with an exchanging volume of $69,459,053. Algorand is at present position 30 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $2,092,737,941. Algorand, ALGO, Value Expectation 2022. Algorand, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. ALGO. The Algo cost estimate for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $0.473153. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0.441610 in cost is very aggressive, however it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Algo is supposed to have a base worth of $0.378523. Algorand, ALGO, Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Algorand Algo cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Algo will before long outperform $0.788589. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the Algo's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Algo will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.630871 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.693958. Algorand, ALGO, Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $1.10 and Algo might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Algo is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.01 and a low of $0.946307 in 2024.